Hi, we're going to be using Google Meet and learning how to use it for distance learning. You may wonder why you would want to use Google Meet. Well, for one thing, it's free. It integrates well with Google Classroom, Google Drive, and Chromebooks. And you can even record meetings on a Chromebook. Meeting videos save directly to your Google Drive. Zoom requires you to pay to make videos on Chromebooks and save them to the cloud. Google does not, they save to your Google Drive for free. Plus, Google Meet, since it's meant for education, has added security features. So, if you are wanting to get to Google Meet to begin a meeting, all you need to do is sign into your Google account and then click on Meet. To begin a meeting, you want to click the plus, and you'll type in a nickname that your students will use to access the meeting. This is safer than creating a link and just posting it. So the nickname can be anything that you would like. Just keep in mind that it needs to be all one word. So once you've created your nickname, you want to post that to your Google Classroom. That way, students can use the nickname to go to Google Meet and to access the meeting. They will need to use their school Google account in order to access it. Right now, you can't nickname a meeting if you generate a link through Classroom. So, for that reason, I would recommend that you create a nickname instead of generating a link through Classroom, because generating a nickname is a safer way to get your students to the meeting. But if you want to go through Classroom to create a Google Meet link, you can go to Settings in Google Classroom. Then you're going to want to go to General and scroll down and click Generate Meeting Link. Then, if you go back to your main class page, you'll notice that underneath the class code, you'll have a Meet link. The bad part about this is that students can access this and they can sign in to the meeting at any time. They don't have to wait for you to sign in first. They can rejoin the meeting. So, for safety, you probably want to use a nickname until Google. So, you can record meetings with Google Meet. The first thing that you do to start recording is you first click on the three dots at the bottom right to bring up the menu. Then you'll click Record Meeting. When you're done, you'll click End Recording at the same place that you started the record meeting. And once you've done this, it will automatically send you and all the participants a copy into your Google Drive. If you want to present your screen, all you have to do is go down to the menu across the bottom and click Present Now. And that presents your entire screen, or if you choose just a window. The reason you might want to do this is so that students can see a presentation that you're giving, or some whatever is on your screen. An extension that I found to be very useful with Google Meet is the Google Meet Grid View extension. It can be found in the Chrome Web Store. And what this allows you to do is to be able to see all your students in a similar fashion to Zoom. So here's an example of what the Grid View extension might look like when you were using it. Keep in mind that it only changes your view. Each person in the meeting has to add the extension if they want to see everyone.